I'm in Sedalia at our new place. It's November 3rd and it's about to get pretty cold out here, so I'm going to be planting another Morel kit from How to Grow Morels. So it's a little bit more protection from the one that I planted last year. So I'm going to go search for a good spot. I'm trying to find a shady area with lots of foliage and signs of high humidity. So let's go find a spot to plant these morels. So right behind me here, in this little aspen grove, we've got this little depression, and there's some ferns that are, getting ready to go dormant, but that's a good sign that there's probably some decent moisture here. So I'll probably do my morel patch right here in this shady spot. Not sure if you can see, but there's quite a bit of a dip, which will provide some protection from the wind. And then it looks like probably get some drainage from up on this hill. So this is a pretty good spot here. I'm just gonna clear out all the debris, and then we're gonna puncture holes in the bags like before, place them face down on the soil, and then cover it up. And then we've got these cool little stakes that will provide extra protection and a lot of leaves. So that's going to be another layer of protection for the mycelium for the winter. All right, I've got a pretty good spot here that I'm going to water in just to give the mycelium Here's our seed pack by How to Grow Morel Mushrooms, and comes with these staples here. So I'm just gonna staple a bunch of holes in the back, and then this is going to come in contact with the surface of the soil. And then these cups here are going to be used to guard the shade cloth from ripping with the stakes. So I will go ahead and stake out my area. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that video on how to plant morels with these spawn kits. There's a little bit of an update from last year. I've got a few more kits that I'm going to spread out in this area. It seems pretty promising. The soil's already a little damp when I removed the leaf debris, so that's a really good sign. So hopefully these little shelters will hold up over the winter, and then I'll keep you guys posted in the spring, and hopefully we get some fruits. All right guys, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed these videos. Subscribe if you're looking forward to more mycology videos like these. Stay tuned. I've got a lot more projects coming up with our new property here in Sedalia, and until next time, much love.